Why your legs are getting weaker after 60? Do this before it's too late. Welcome to Senior Wisdom, your go-to channel for practical health tips to help you thrive in your golden years. Are your legs feeling weaker, shakier, or more tired than they're used to, struggling to climb stairs or stand for long periods? If so, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Weak legs after 60 aren't just a normal part of aging. They're a warning sign that your body might be losing strength, circulation, or essential nutrients. Ignoring these signs could lead to serious issues like falls, loss of independence, or even life-threatening complications. But don't worry, there are simple, effective steps you can take to rebuild your leg strength and move with confidence again. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60 and sharing practical solutions to fix them before it's too late. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip to supercharge your leg strength. And don't forget, this information is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor for personalized guidance. Let's get started. Reason number 5. Muscle loss sarcopenia. As we age, our muscles naturally start to shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. This process can begin in your 30s, but after 60, it speeds up significantly. Without intervention, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s, especially in your legs. This makes everyday tasks, like getting up from a chair, walking, or climbing stairs, feel exhausting. Signs of sarcopenia: thinner thighs or calves, legs feeling heavy or weak, fatigue after short walks or light activity. How to fight sarcopenia? Good news. You can slow or even reverse muscle loss with simple habits. Strength exercises. Try chair squats, stand up and sit down slowly, using a chair for support. Leg lifts, lift one leg at a time while seated, or resistance band exercises to build muscle. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Protein power. Fuel your muscles with protein-rich foods, like lean meats, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, nuts, or lentils. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Stay active. Even a 10-minute daily walk can keep your leg muscles engaged and strong. Pro tip: start small. If you're new to exercise, try 5 chair squats a day and gradually increase. Consistency is key to rebuilding muscle. Reason number 4. Poor circulation. Peripheral artery disease. Do your legs feel cold, numb, or cramp up when you walk? This could point to poor circulation, often caused by peripheral artery disease (PAD), where plaque buildup narrows the arteries, reducing blood flow to your legs. Without enough oxygen-rich blood, your legs become weak, tired, and prone to cramping. In severe cases, PAD can lead to slow healing wounds or increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Signs of poor circulation: cold or numb legs and feet, cramping or pain in calves when walking, relieved by rest, heavy or tingly legs after standing. How to boost circulation: walk daily. Even short walks around your home improve blood flow. Start with 5 to 10 minutes and build up. Stay hydrated. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water daily to keep blood flowing smoothly. Cut back on salty foods to reduce swelling. Try warm soaks. Soak your feet in warm, not hot, water for 10 minutes, or try gentle leg massages to stimulate circulation. Elevate your legs. Raise your legs on a pillow for 15 to 20 minutes daily to reduce swelling and improve blood flow. Important: if you notice persistent leg pain, numbness, or wounds that won't heal, see your doctor. Untreated PAD can have serious consequences. Reason number 3. Nerve damage. Peripheral neuropathy. If your legs or feet feel tingly, numb, or like they're burning, you might be dealing with peripheral neuropathy, a condition affecting nearly 1 in 3 seniors. It's especially common in those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. High blood sugar or low levels of vitamin B12 can damage nerves over time, leading to leg weakness, balance issues, and a higher risk of falls. Signs of peripheral neuropathy: tingling or burning sensations in legs or feet, feeling like you're walking on a sponge, numbness or loss of sensation. How to protect your nerves: monitor blood sugar. If you have diabetes, keep your blood sugar in check with diet and medication. As prescribed, boost B12 intake. Eat B12-rich foods like eggs, dairy, fish, or fortified cereals. If you're deficient, ask your doctor about supplements. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol can worsen nerve damage, so keep it to a minimum. Gentle massage. Use light foot and leg massages to improve nerve function and reduce discomfort. Take action. Persistent numbness or tingling isn't normal. Talk to your doctor for tests to check for neuropathy or B12 deficiency reason, DOIs, spinal problems, sciatica, or herniated discs. Your lower back plays a huge role in leg strength. Issues like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or even poor posture can pinch nerves in your spine, causing leg weakness, pain, or sudden buckling. This is often linked to sciatica, where the sciatic nerve becomes compressed, sending pain or weakness. Down your legs. Signs of spinal-related leg weakness. Pain radiating from your lower back to your legs, numbness or tingling in your feet, one leg feeling weaker than the other. How? To support your spine, gentle stretches. Try knee-to chest stretches. Lie on your back, pull one knee to your chest, hold for 15 seconds, or seated spinal twists to relieve pressure. Improve posture. Sit with a lumbar support cushion to reduce strain on your lower back. Move regularly. Avoid sitting for more than 30 minutes at a time. Stand, stretch, or walk briefly to keep your spine mobile. Strengthen your core. Simple core exercises like pelvic tilts can support your spine and reduce nerve compression. Note: if you experience sudden leg weakness or loss of balance, see a doctor promptly to rule out serious spinal issues. Reason number A. Electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Ever wake up with a sudden leg cramp or feel your legs shaking out of nowhere? This could be due to an electrolyte imbalance, particularly low levels of magnesium or potassium. These minerals are critical for muscle function, and deficiencies can cause spasms, weakness, or fatigue. Dehydration. Certain medications like diuretics, or a diet low in nutrient-rich foods, can lead to these imbalances. Signs of electrolyte imbalance: sudden leg cramps, especially at night, shaky or weak legs, muscle twitching, or fatigue. How to restore balance? Eat potassium-rich foods. Include bananas, oranges, spinach, sweet potatoes, or avocados in your diet. Boost magnesium. Snack on almonds, dark chocolate in moderation, whole grains, or beans. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water too. Prevent dehydration, which worsens electrolyte imbalances. Try Epsom salt baths. Soak in a warm bath with 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salts for 15 minutes to relax muscles and absorb magnesium through your skin. Quick tip: if leg cramps are frequent, try a small glass of tonic water with quinine before bed, but check with your doctor first. Bonus tip: build a daily leg strengthening routine to tie it all together. Create a simple daily routine to keep your legs strong and healthy. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes to boost circulation and engage muscles. Do 5 to 10 chair squats or leg lifts to build strength. Eat a balanced meal with protein, potassium, and magnesium-rich foods. Stretch for 5 minutes to support your spine and improve flexibility. Hydrate with 8 to 10 cups of water daily to support muscle and nerve function. Take action today. Weak legs aren't just an inconvenience, they're a signal your body needs care. Whether it's muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or an electrolyte imbalance, small changes can make a big difference. Start today. Exercise for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Eat nutrient-rich foods to fuel your muscles. Drink water to stay hydrated. Check your posture to protect your spine. Walk to improve circulation. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Senior Wisdom, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Drop a comment below. Let us know which of these reasons surprised you the most, or share your favorite tip for keeping your legs strong. For more practical health tips to thrive after 60, hit the bell icon to stay updated with our weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.